It is March 18th and I just got my birthday dress in the mail, so let's open it. I got it off Depop from the seller. This isn't the birthday dress, but I got 2 dresses from the seller because she had such cute stuff. Oh my god, look at this little slip dress. Look how cute it is. The lace detailing, okay. Okay. This is the birthday dress. Not wearing any makeup because I slammed my eyebrow yesterday with my car door. Okay, this is the birthday dress that I ordered that I'm gonna wear for my birthday. Oh my god, it's a maxi dress, so I might have to stand up. Look at this. Look at the lace detailing. Look at, it's like a whole ass maxi dress. It has a slit right here. So cute. This is gonna be so cute for my birthday. Oh my god, I'll do a try on, I don't know today, but I will show you guys. I think I do need a slip for underneath both of these because they're a bit like see-through. So yeah, once I get the slips, I'll show you guys what these dresses look like. It is March 21st and I just got in the shoes that I ordered. One for my birthday and then one for fun. Same with the dresses. Always have to order more than one thing, I don't know. I got both from Public Desire. I never bought shoes off there, but honestly, glad I did. They have very nice quality shoes and I'm in love. I'm gonna show you the other shoes I got and then my birthday shoes. So the first pair of shoes I got are these knee-high black boots. I don't have a pair of black boots this high, so I want to get just like, you know, a good staple piece. Compare it with a lot of outfits with skirts, with tights. Need this. So yeah, I'm glad I have that pair now. And then the birthday shoe I got were these heels. They have these heels in so many different colors, but I went with the, like, it kind of looks like a matcha green in person. And they're these like platform shoes. They're definitely like a knockoff style of the Versace ones, but I love these. I tried them on already. They're both comfortable. So yeah, once I get in the slip for the under the dress, I'll show you guys the complete look and then we'll be on to my birthday shenanigans. I'm batch shooting photos today. It is the weekend before my birthday, so I thought maybe I should try this on and show you guys how the dress looks. I'm not gonna put everything together because I want to save that for my birthday, but since you know I'm already dolled up, I might as well show you the dress. I'm wearing the other dress I got. Okay, here is the dress. Look at it. So cute, and it has a little slip. Obviously I'm gonna wear it with the green shoes that I got, but I think it's so cute. I'm not sure if I told you guys yet, but for my birthday I'm going to like a Bridgerton event. So I wanted the dress to kind of like emulate that, but kind of more modern. So yeah, I love Bridgerton. If you haven't seen the new season, go watch it. Love that show. And I'm excited for the event. And yeah, so next time you see me will probably be on my birthday. Just know the day's going up to her. I'm gonna be so excited. It's officially my birthday. I actually got surgery the other day, so if my face is swollen, that's why. You know, getting all the work done before my birthday. I've braided my hair, getting ready for it tonight, so it's like nice and wavy. I still gotta work out today. Right now, I'm watching Queen Olivia Rodrigo and editing a video for you guys. So that is my morning, and then of course tonight, the Bridgerton event. So excited. It is the day after my birthday. I had so much fun last night. If you are in LA, I also think they do in other major cities. I saw Washington, D.C. They also do this, but definitely go check out the Bridgerton experience. It is so much fun. But I wanted to come today and show you like the gifts I got. Not because I want to brag or anything, but I just thought they were all super cute and really aesthetic. And I just wanted to show you guys. First, we're gonna go with Charlize's present. She decided to do it on theme with my birthday. We got this, and it's, you open it, it's like Pride and Prejudice theme. And then she got me an ink set to like practice my calligraphy and all of that. I think it's so cute. And I love the ink pen. So yeah, definitely gonna use this. One of my hobbies is drawing and writing and all of that. Then my parents got me, I got a like, what's it called? Like the sample little like travel perfume of this, and I asked for like the bigger version because I love the scent, and it's the Maison Louis Marie, and it's number 4. Some French. Base is amber wood. I love amber smell. And then mid is vetiver, nutmeg, cinnamon, and top is sandalwood, cedarwood. I just love this one because it's like still feminine but also has a smell that I like. And then I've never had a perfume like cute bottle like this. Look at it. I want to like take a picture of all my presents, even though I'm like, not because like, oh, like I got all these presents, because like they're all aesthetic, and I feel like I could do a cute picture with the ink set, that, and the other 2 things I'm about to show you. Next, my sister got me something, and I've been wanting this for years, and I've been asking it for every Christmas, and like just this year I believe, they're not Sephora, but Negan's brand Gizu. My sister got me their honey infused hair oil. I've been wanting this. I want to try it. I'm so excited to try it. Also aesthetic, again, so cute. I love it. I'm gonna keep these even though I don't know what to use them for after they're gone, but they're so cute. Now last, and my favorite thing I got this year was also from my parents, and they got me this Coach purse. It's so cute. I'm in love with it. It goes with, they got me a wallet, a Coach wallet for Christmas, and my dad picked out this beautiful blue color, and I'm just in love with this purse. My other purses are thrifted, so this is like the nicest purse I've ever had. It's so cute. I'm in love. It's crossbody. Okay, I finished my makeup. We are about to head out. I'm not wearing the full dress because my mom's afraid I'll wrinkle it. So I'll show you it when we get there. So we gotta go pick up Charlie. Look at my pretty mom. My sister had to bail last minute, so look. She's like Lady Danbury. How fancy my hair look. You're pretty, Charlie. Okay, we're at the event, let's go! I'm just gonna bring my phone, so... Dance on the stress. Smile, guys! Cute. Some of your sneakers, I hate it. Okay, we just got back. I look like a mess. I need a shower. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you get the chance, definitely do the Bridgerton experience. It is so much fun. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.